Welcome to NextMind AI, where we explore the cutting edge of artificial intelligence and its incredible applications. Today, we're diving into the rapidly growing trend of AI video creation, a powerful tool democratizing content production for everyone. The market for AI-generated content is expanding exponentially, making it easier than ever to produce professional quality videos without extensive technical skills or large budgets. First, let's talk about finding your unique voice. Choosing a niche for your AI video channel is crucial for standing out. Consider popular niches like tech reviews, engaging cooking tutorials, dynamic fitness guides, or immersive gaming content. Identify your personal passions and expertise to narrow down your content focus, ensuring authenticity and sustained interest. Understanding your target audience and tailoring content to resonate with their interests is key to building a loyal viewership. Now, let's craft compelling narratives using AI. ChatGPT can be an invaluable tool for generating effective video scripts. You can use specific prompts like, write a script for a YouTube video explaining how AI is transforming education. To get started, refine and optimize the AI-generated script to perfectly align with your chosen niche and target audience, ensuring it sounds natural and engaging. Structure your script with a clear introduction, a compelling body, and a strong call to action to maximize viewer engagement. This structured approach helps maintain viewer interest and guides them through your content effectively. Next, we'll bring your script to life with HeyGen, a powerful platform for creating AI videos. The process begins by selecting a narrator avatar that best suits your video's tone and message. Then, choose a voice from their extensive library, ensuring it complements your chosen avatar and script. You can easily incorporate stock footage to visually enhance your narrative, making your video more dynamic and informative. Customize your avatars further by adding motion and integrating your brand elements for a consistent look. HeyGen offers impressive features like precise lip sync accuracy, seamless language translation, and AI-driven customization options. These tools help create realistic AI motion and voice, significantly enhancing viewer engagement and immersion. After creation, it's time to polish your video. The editing process adds the final touches that elevate your content. AI-powered video editing tools like Descript or Capwing can streamline your workflow, making tasks like transcription and cutting incredibly efficient. Selecting appropriate background music from platforms like Soundstripe or Upbeat sets the right tone without overpowering your narrator. Adding engaging captions improves accessibility and significantly boosts viewer retention, especially for those watching without sound. Finally, let's discuss growth. Getting more views and subscribers on YouTube requires strategic effort. SEO optimization, including thorough keyword research and strategic use of tags and descriptions, is paramount for discoverability. Craft compelling thumbnails that immediately attract clicks and increase your video's viewership. Promote your videos across social media platforms and actively engage with your audience in the comments section to build a community. Tools like TubeBuddy or vidIQ can help optimize your content and track performance, providing valuable insights for continuous improvement. You now have the knowledge to start your own AI video channel and create professional content. Experiment with the tools and techniques we've discussed and unleash your creativity in the world of AI video. Subscribe to NextMind AI, explaining the future of artificial intelligence.